स्वागत है आप सबका स्कोर ऑटोमोबाइल यूट्यूब चैनल पे। लेक्चर में आगे बढ़ने से पहले कुछ चीज मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, कृपया करके आप ध्यान से सुनिए। मास्टर क्वेश्चन सेट फॉर MSBT ऑनलाइन मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एग्जाम, इमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन कंप्यूटर एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एज पर अपडेटेड गाइडलाइंस September 2020। मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन सेट for all chapter prepared by MSBT subject expert. If you are serious for study, you are at right place. Made with lots of hard work and dedication, so we request you to share as much possible. Your one like and subscription will motivate the entire team. So let's start. Semester 6 multiple choice question and answers. Chapter 1 Artificial Intelligence. Question number 1. Which of these schools was not among the early leaders in AI research? So that is Harvard University. DARPA, the agency that has funded a great deal of American AI research, is part of Department of Defense. The conference that launched the AI resolution in 1956 was held at Dartmouth. What is a term used for describing the judgmental part of problem solving? Heuristic. What of the following is considered to be pivotal event in the history of AI? That is 1956 Dartmouth University conference organized by John McCarthy. A certain professor at the Stanford University coined with word artificial intelligence in 1956 at the conference held at Dartmouth College. Can you name the professor? That is, answer is John McCarthy. The field that investigates the mechanics of human intelligence is cognitive science. AM Turing development a technique for determining whether a computer could or could not demonstrate the artificial intelligence. Presently, this technique is called Turing test. The first AI programming language was called IPL. What is artificial intelligence? It is making a machine intelligence. Who is the father of artificial intelligence? John McCarthy. Artificial intelligence has its expansion in the following applications. तो कौन से प्लानिंग एंड शेड्यूलिंग, गेम प्लेइंग, रोबोटिक्स? आंसर इज ऑल थ्री ऑफ दिस. द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम केपेबल ऑफ थिंकिंग, रीजनिंग एंड लर्निंग is known as artificial intelligence, that is AI. The first widely used commercial form of artificial intelligence is being used in many popular products like microwave ovens, automobiles and plug-in circuit boards for desktop PCs. What is the name of AI? That is fuzzy logic. What is the term used for describing the judgmental part of the problem solving? Heuristic. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which deals with helping machines finding solutions to the complex problems in a more human-like fashions. In deep learning, the goal is for the software to use what it has learned in one area to solve problem in other area. Computer programs that mimic the way the human brain processes information is called as neural network. A heuristic is a rule of thumb, strategic trick, simplification or any other kind of device which drastically limits search for solution in large problem spaces. Heuristic do not guarantee optimal or any solution. Cognitive science related with think like human. Computational model should reflect how results were obtained. Communication between man and machine is related with Lisa. Lisa was created by Joseph. The concept derived from logic level are propositional logic, tautology, predicate calculus model, temporal logic. Prolong is an AI programming language which solves problem with a form of symbolic logic known as predicate calculus. The gross level contain constituents at the third level which are knowledge-based system, heuristics research, automatic theorem proving multi-agent system. Prolog, Lisp, NLP are the language of artificial intelligence. Lisp is used for AI because it supports the implementation of software that computes with symbols very well. Symbolic expression and computing with those is at the core of Lisp. NLP that deals with the interaction between computers and humans using the natural language. The core components are constituents of AI are derived from concept of logic, cognition and computation, that is all three of these. Aristotle's theory of syllogism, Descartes and Kant's critique of pure reasoning made knowledge on logic. Charles Babbage and Boole, who demonstrate the power of computation logic. In 1960s, Dash pushed the logical formalism to integrate reasoning with knowledge. That is Marvin Minsky. Sensing organ as input, mechanical movement organ as output, and central nervous system in brain as control and computing device is known as information processing paradigm of human being. Computational models were developed and incorporated in machines which mimic the functionalities of human origin. Chomsky linguistic computational theory generated a model for synthetic analysis through regular grammar. Human to machine is program and machine to machine is hardware. Weak AI is also known as narrow AI. Narrow AI is able to perform dedicated tasks. Narrow AI performs multiple tasks at a time. So it is wrong, that is false. Weak AI is the study of mental facilities through the use of mental modes implemented on a computer. Strong AI is the embodiment of human intellectual capabilities within a computer. Artificial intelligence is the embodiment of human intellectual capabilities within a computer, a set of computer programs that produce output that will be considered to reflect intelligence if it were generated by humans. The study of mental facilities through the use of mental models implemented on a computer. So answer is all of this. Apple Siri is a good example of narrow AI. IBM Watson supercomputer comes under narrow AI. General AI is a type of intelligence which could perform any intellectual task with efficiency like human. The idea behind general AI to make such a system which could be smarter and think like a human by its own. The worldwide researchers are now focusing on developing machine with general AI. Playing chess, purchasing suggestions on e-commerce site, self-driving cars, speech recognition and image recognition are the example of narrow AI. Machine can perform any task better than human with cognitive properties is known as super AI. Ability to think, puzzle, make judgment, plan, learn, communication by its own is known as super AI. Super AI is hypothetical concept of AI. Which AI system not store memories or past experiences for further actions or future actions, that is reactive machine. Which machines only focus on current scenarios and react on it as per possible best action, that is reactive machine. IBM's Deep Blue system is an example of reactive machine. Google AlphaGo is an example of reactive machine which can store past experiences or some data for a short period, that is limited memory. Self-driving car is an example of limited memory. Which AI should understand the human emotions, people and beliefs and be able to interact socially like human, that is theory of mind. Which machine would be smarter than human mind? Self-awareness. Self-awareness machine will have their own consequences and sentiments. Which is not the commonly used program language for AI, that is Perl. What is the machine learning? The machine learning is the autonomous acquisition of knowledge through the use of computer program. Machine learning is a branch of science that deals with programming the system in such a way that they automatically learn and improve with experience. Classifying email as a spam, labeling web pages based on their content, voice recognition are the example of supervised learning. K means self-organizing maps. Hierarchical clustering are an example of unsupervised learning. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning where concerned algorithms are inspired by the structured and functions of the brain called artificial neural network. Machine learning invented by Arthur Samuel. Now we'll start second chapter, that is IoT, इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स. तो अभी तक चैनल को लाइक नहीं किया तो एक लाइक कर दीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिए. ठीक है, लेट्स बिगिन. Embedded system are special purpose. Embedded system is an electronic system or an electromechanical system. Which of the following is not true about embedded system? तो इसमें से क्या true नहीं है? Build around specialized hardware? No. Always contain an operating system? No. Execution behavior may be deterministic? No. तो इसमें से कौन सा भी नहीं है? Clear? Which of the following is not an example of small scale embedded system? तो कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है? Cell phone. The first recognized modern embedded system is AGC. The first mass-produced embedded system is Autonetics D17. Which of the following is an intended purpose of embedded system? इसमें कौन सा होता है? Data collection, yes. Data processing, yes. Data communication, yes. So all three of these. Which of the following is an example of embedded system for data communication? So where digital camera. What are the essential tight constraints related to the design matrix of an embedded system? That is ability to fit on a single chip, low power consumption, fast data processing for real-time operation. All of these. A digital multimeter is an example of embedded system for monitoring. Which of the following is an example of embedded system for signal processing? The Apple iPod, no. SanDisk, USB, no. ANB, no. The answer is none of these. The instruction set of RISC processor is simple and lesser in number. Which of the following is true about CISC processors? The instruction set is non-orthogonal, yes. The number of general purpose registers is limited, yes. Instructions are like macros in C language, yes. Variable length instructions, yes. So answer is all of these. The main processing chip in computer is CPU. Processor used in many microcontroller products need to be low power. In microcontrollers, UART is a acronym of Universal Synchronous Receiver or Transmitter. Which architecture is followed by general purpose microprocessors, that is von Neumann architect? Which architect involves both the volatile and non-volatile memory? So that is Harvard architect. Which architecture provides separate buses for program and data memory? Harvard architecture. Harvard architecture allows separate program and data memory, yes. Pipelining, yes. Complex architect, yes. Answer is all three of these. Which of the following processor architecture supports easier instruction pipelines? That is Harvard. Which of the following is an example for wireless communication interface? Answer is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both. ARM stands from Advanced RISC Machine. What is the processor used by ARM7? That is 32-bit RISC. The main importance of ARM microprocessor is providing operation with low cost and low power consumption. ARM processors were basically designed for mobile systems. ASIC chip is faster. ASIC stands for Application Significant Integrated Circuit. In microcontrollers, I2C stands for Inter-Integrated Circuit. PIC microcontrollers is the smallest microcontrollers which can be programmed to perform a large range of tasks. AVR was developed in the year 1996 by ATML Corporation. AVR stands for Advanced Virtual RISC and Alpha Agile Bogen and Vigard Volan RISC. AVR microcontroller executes most of the instruction in self-execution cycle. Term, the Internet of Things, that is IoT, was coined by Kevin. The huge numbers of devices connected to the Internet of Things have to communicate automatically, not by human. What it is this called? It is machine to machine, M to M. What do things in IoT refers to? IoT devices. Interconnection of internet and computing devices embedded in everyday objects, enabling them to send and receive data, is called Internet of Things. IoT, that is Internet of Things, is a computing concept that describes the idea of everyday physical object being connected to the internet. Internet of Things devices may support a number of interoperations, communication protocols, and communication with other devices and also with infrastructure. Which one is not element of IoT? That is security. IIoT stands for Industrial Internet of Things. Name of the IoT device which is first recognized, that is ATM. Radio information technology is used by IoT. NFC consists of communication protocols for electronic devices, typically a mobile device and a standard device. Connectivity refers to establishment of proper connection between all the things of Internet of Things. IoT devices which have unique identities and can perform remote sensing, actuating, monitoring capabilities. The sense data communicated is cloud-based storage. IoT devices are various types. For instance, wearable sensors, smartwatches, LED lights. Answer is all of these. IEEE 802.3 is a collection of wired Ethernet standard for a link layer. IEEE 802.11 is a collection of WLAN communication standards. IEEE 802.16 is a collection of wireless broadband standards. IEEE 802.15.4 is a collection of standard for LRWPANs. LRWPAN standards from basic of specification for high level communication protocols such as ZigBee. 2G include GSM and CDMA. 3G include UTMS and CDMA 2000. 4G includes LTE. Link layer protocol determines how the data is physically sent over the network's physical layer or medium. Dash, that is, network layer is responsible for sending of IP datagrams from the source network to the destinated network. Network layer, that is, it performs the host addressing and packet routing. Dash, that is, transport layer protocol provide end-to-end message transfer capability independence of the underlying network. The dash, that is, application layer protocols define how the applications interface with the lower layer protocol to send the data over the network. 6 low power PAN stands for IP version 6 over low power wireless personal area network. 802.3 is a standard for 10 base 5 Ethernet that uses coaxial cable as shared medium. IEEE 802.11 standards provide data rate 1 Mbps up to 6.75 Gbps. Scope of the following is a protocol related to IoT. UDP is useful for time-sensitive applications that have very small data unit to exchange and do not want the overhead of connection setup. Dash, that is, HTTP protocol uses universal research identifiers to identify HTTP resources. The 10 by 100 megabyte Ethernet support enables the board to connect to LAN. Which one out of these is not a data link layer technology, that is HTTP? What is the size of IPv6 address, that is 128 bits? MQTT stands for MQ telemetry transport. MQTT is better than HTTP for sending and receiving data. Answer is true. Yes, ji haan. MQTT is machine to machine and Internet of Things protocol. Which protocol is lightweight? MQTT. MQTT is based on publish subscribe architecture. XMPP is used for streaming which type of elements, that is XML. XMPP creates device identity. XMPP uses decentralized client server architecture. What does HTTP do? Enables network resources and reduces perception of latency and allows multiple concurrent exchange. HTTP expands hypertext transfer protocol. COAP is specialized in internet applications. Which protocol is used to link all the devices in the IoT? That is IP. Data in network layer is transferred in the form of packets. Services provided by application layer is web chat. TCP and UDP are called transport protocols. Security based connection is provided by which layer? That is network layer. Using which layer in transport layer data integrity can be assured? That is checksum. Transport layer receives data in the form of byte strings. The network layer is considered as backbone. The network layer consists of which of hardware devices? Router, yes. Bridges, yes. Switches, yes. So answer is all three of these. Network layer protocol exists in host. Which protocol has a quality of service? Answer is XMPP. Dash, that is DDS, is a data centric middleware standard for device to device and machine to machine communication. Dash, that is exclusive pair, is a bidirectional fully duplex communication model that uses a persistent connection between client and server. Dash, that is exclusive pair, is a stateful communication model and server is aware of all open connections. Which is not an IoT communication model? Answer is push producer. In Node, MCU stands for microcontroller unit. REST is acronym for representational state transfer. WSN stands for wireless sensor network. Benefits of cloud computing service are fast, Yes. Anywhere access? Yes. Higher utilization? Yes. The answer is all three of these. PaaS stand for platform as a service dash, that is platform as a service is a cloud computing infrastructure that creates a development environment upon which applications may be built. Dash, that is IaaS is a cloud computing service model in which hardware is virtualized in the cloud. Which of the following is a fundamental unit of virtualized client in an IaaS deployment? Answer is workload. IaaS offering provides the tools and development environment to deploy applications on other vendors' application. Dash, that is PaaS, PaaS is the most refined and restrictive service model. WebSocket is suitable for IoT applications to have low latency or high throughput requirements. Dash, that is ZigBee is one of the most popular wireless technologies used by WSNS. ZigBee's specifications are based on 802.15.4. Cloud computing is a transformative computing paradigm that involves delivering applications and services over the internet. The process of collecting, organizing and collecting large set of data is called big data. Does Raspberry Pi need external hardware? No, that is false. Does RPI have an internal memory? That is true. What do we use to connect TV to RPI? That is male HDMI and adapter. How power supply is done to RPI? That is USB connection. What is the Ethernet or LAN cable used in RPI? RJ45. Which instruction set architecture is used in Raspberry Pi? That is ARM. Does micro SD card present in all the modules? Yes, true. Which characteristic involve the facility the things to respond in an intelligent way to a particular situation? That is intelligence. Connectivity empowers IoT by bringing together everyday objects. The collection of data is achieved with dynamic nature changes. The number of devices that need to be managed and that communicate with each other will be much larger when enormous scale. Dash, that is heterogeneity in IoT as one of the key characteristics. Devices have different hardware, platforms and networks. Devices that transform electrical signal into physical movement are known as actuators. Stepper motor are DC motors. DC motor converts electrical into mechanical energy. Linear actuators are used in machine tools. Solenoid is a specially designed electromagnet. Stepper motor are DC motors. Accelerometer sensors are used in smartphones as well as in aircraft. Image sensors are found in cameras, night vision equipment and sonars. Gas sensors are used to detect toxic gases. Properties of Arduino are inexpensive and simple. Properties of IoT device: sense and send and as well as receive data. Answer is both. IoT devices are non-standard. What is the microcontroller used in Arduino UNO? That is AT Mega 328P. Dash, that is Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to understand hardware and software. Dash is used latching, locking, triggering, the solenoid. Dash, that is proximity sensor detects the presence or absence of nearby object without any physical contact. Dash, that is temperature sensors includes thermocouple, thermistor, resistor temperature detectors and ICs. The measurement of humidity is RH. Dash, that is motion sensor is used for automatic door control, automatic parking system, automated sinks, automated toilet flushes, hand dryers. Dash, that is IR sensor measures heat emitted by objects. दो चैप्टर हमारे कवर हो गए. थर्ड चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे, दैट इज बेसिक्स ऑफ डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक्स. ठीक है, तो ये स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि आपने अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज एक लाइक कर दिए ताकि हमारी पूरी एमएसबीटी की टीम जो है स्टडी मटेरियल जिसने तैयार किया है वो मोटिवेट हो गए. फर्स्ट, डिजिटल फॉरेंसिक इज ऑल ऑफ एक्सेप्ट देम. आंसर इज मैनिपुलेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर डेटा. IDIP stands for Integrated Digital Investigation Program. Who proposed roadmap for digital forensic research? That is RMDFR. The answer is G. Palmar. तो एग्जाम में ध्यान में रखना है, ये आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी आ सकता है और उसका फुल फॉर्म आंसर के लिए पूछ सकते हैं. Investigators should satisfy the following points: contribute to society and human being, yes. Avoid harm to others, yes. Honesty and trustworthy, yes. The answer is all of these. In the past, the method for expressing an opinion has been to frame a hypothetical question based on available factual evidence. More subtle because you are not aware that you are running these macros spread via email. That is danger of macro viruses. There are 3 C's in computer forensics, which is one of the 3. That is control. When Federal Bureau Investigation Program was created in 1984, when the field of PC forensic began 1980s. What is digital forensic? The application of computer science and investigative procedures for a legal purpose involving the analysis of digital evidence after proper search authority, chain of custody, validation with mathematics, use of validated tools, repeatability, reporting, and possible expert presentation. Digital forensic entails the identification, preservation, recovery, restoration, and presentation of digital evidence from system and devices. Which of the following is false? So here the false statement is, it is the investigator's job to determine someone's innocence. No. What is the most significant legal issue in computer forensic? That is admissibility of evidence. Dash means presentation phase includes putting the pieces of a digital puzzle together and developing investigative hypothesis. Dash, that is survey phase. Investigator transfers the relative data from a venue out of physical or administrative control of the investigator to a controlled location. Dash, that means survey phase investigator transfers the relative data from a venue out of physical or administrative control for the investigator to a controller location. Computer forensic do not involve manipulation of computer data activity. A set of instructions compiled into a program that performs a particular task is known as software. Which of the following is not a rule of digital forensics? That is, an examination should be performed on a digital data. To collect and analyze the digital evidence that was obtained from physical investigation phase is the goal of which phase? That is digital crime investment. To provide mechanism to an incident to be detected and confirmed is purpose of which phase? That is deployment phase. Which phase entails a review of the whole investigation and identifies area of improvement? Answer is review phase. Mitchell Anderson is known as the father of computer forensic. Dash, that is forensic is well established science where various contributions have been made. Who proposed end-to-end digital investigation process? स्टीफेंसन. तो एग्जाम में आ सकता है फुल फॉर्म के लिए क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. Which model of investigation proposed by Carrier and Stafford? Answer is IDIP. Which of the following is not a property of computer evidence? Answer is conform and human readable. Dash, that is evidence can make or breaks investigations. Dash, that is firewall is a software that blocks unauthorized users from connecting to your computer. Which of the following are general ethical norms for investigation? General ethical norms are to contribute to the society and human being, to avoid harm to others, to be honest and trustworthy. Which of the following an unethical norms for investigation? Unethical norms क्या है? Uphold any relative evidence, declare any confidential matters or knowledge, falsify education, training, entails. Answer is all of them. Which of the following is not general ethical form for investigation? That is uphold any relative evidence. Which of the following is an not unethical norm for digital forensic investigation? The way to respect the privacy of others. What is called as a process of creation a duplicate of digital media for the purpose of examining it? Acquisition. Which term refers for modifying a computer in a way which would not originally intended to view information? That is hacking. The ability to recover and read deleted or damaged files from a criminal's computer is an example of law enforcement specialty through computer forensics. What are the important parts of the mobile device when used in digital forensic? That is eMMC chip. Using what data hiding is inscribed image be carried out in a digital forensic? That is steganography. Which of these is not a computer crime? Identification of data. Which file is used to store the user enter password? .sam. Dash, that is data mining is a process of recording as much data as possible to create reports and analysis on user input. Dash, that is data carving searches through a raw data on the hard drive without using a file system. What is first step to handle retrieving data from an inscribed hard drive? The answer is finding configuration files. Now, chapter 4, digital evidence. First, a valid definition of digital evidence is digital data of probative value. What are the three general categories of computer system that can contain digital evidence? Answer is open computer system, communication system, and embedded system. In terms of digital evidence, a hard drive is an example of open computer systems. In terms of digital evidence, a mobile telephone is an example of embedded computer system. In terms of digital evidence, a smart card is an example of embedded computer systems. In terms of digital evidence, the internet is an example of communication system. Computer can be involved in which of the following types of crime? Homicide and sexual assault, computer instruction and intellectual property theft, civil disputes. The logon record tells us that at a specific time the account was used to log into the system. Cyber trails are advantageous because offenders who are unaware of them leave behind more clues than they otherwise would have. Private network can be richer source of evidence than the internet because private networks contain a high concentration of digital evidence. Due to the caseload and budget constraints, often computer security professionals attempt to limit the damage and close each investigation as quickly as possible. So, which of the following is not a significant drawback to this approach? Answer is responsibility for incident resolution frequently does not reside with the security professionals but with management. The criminology principle, which states that when anyone or anything enters a crime scene, he or she takes something of the scene with him or her and leaves something of himself or herself behind, is Locard's exchange principle. Author of series of threatening emails consistently uses I am instead of I am. This is an example of an individual characteristic. Personal computers and networks are often a valuable source of evidence. Those involved with answer is criminal investigation and prosecution. An argument for including computer forensic training computer security specialist is it teaches them when it is a time to call in law enforcement. The digital evidence are used to establish a credible link between attacker and the victim and the crime scene. Digital evidence must follow the requirement of best evidence rule. From the two given statement 1 and 2, select the correct option from A, D. Right? The first क्या हो रहा है? Original media can be used to carry out digital investigation process. It is true. By default, every part of the victim's computer is considered as unreliable. That is false. The evidence or proof can be obtained from the electronic source is called as digital evidence. Which of the following is not a type of volatile evidence? Answer is log files. Evidence must be usable in a court, which is called as admissible. Photographs, videos, sound recordings, x-rays, map drawing, graphs, charts is a type of illustrative evidence. Email hardware are example of electronic evidence. Blood, fingerprints, DNA, these are example of substantial evidence. When an incident will takes place, a criminal will leave a hint evident at the scene and remove a hint from the scene, which is called as Locard's exchange principle. It is not procedure to establish a chain of custody, that is, do not take screenshots of digital evidence content. Which is not relative with digital evidence, work with the original evidence to develop procedures. Which is an example of non-volatile memory, that is flash memory. Oath affidavit is known as testimonial. The process of ensuring that providing or obtaining the data that you have collected is similar to the data provided or represented in a court is known as evidence valuation. When cases got to trial, your forensic examiner plays one of the two roles. Types of digital evidence are picture and video. Rule of evidence is also known as law of evidence. I will start chapter 5, basics of hacking. Ethical hacking is also known as white hat hacking. Tools used by ethical hacker are scanner, decoder, proxy. Vulnerability scanning in ethical hacking finds weakness. Ethical hacking will allow to measure all the massive security breaches. Sequential step hackers used are BCDA, reconnaissance, that is B, scanning, that is C, scanning access, that is D, maintaining access, that is A. So answer is option A. Social engineering is the art of exploiting the human elements to gain access to the authorized users. Which hacker refers to ethical hacker, that is white hat hacker. The term cracker refers to black hat hacker, who describes a dissertation on fundamentals of hackers' attitude, that is Raymond. Computer hackers have been in existence for more than century. Hackers do hack for fame, profit, revenue, all three of these. Intent of ethical hacker is to discover vulnerabilities from a attacker's point of view to better secure system. Security audits are usually based on checklist. Ethical hacker consists of penetration testing, instruction testing, red teaming. Dash, that is, a hacker is a person who finds and exploits the weakness in computer system. White hat hacker is the one who identifies weakness. Black hat hacker is the one who steals the data. Grey hat hacker is one of the who identifies the weakness and leave message to owner. Keeping information secured can protect an organization image and save the organization lots of money. It is true. Information is one of the most valuable assets of organization. That is true. To catch a thief, think like a thief. Dash, that is firewall, encryption, VPNs can create false feeling for safety. Dash, that is non-technical attacks, exploits that involves manipulating people and user, even yourself, are the greatest vulnerability within a computer. Connecting into a network through a rogue modem attached to computer behind a firewall is an example of network infrastructure attack. Dash, that is operating system attack, comprise of large portion of hackers attack simply because even computer has one and well-known exploits can be used against them. Dash, that is planning should be done before ethical hacking process. Permission is necessary before ethical hacking, return permission. Which tool is used to crack the password? LC4. Which tool is used for depth analysis of a web application? That is Whisker. Which tool is used to inscribe email? Is PGP. Malicious attack often think like thieves, kidnappers. Which hacker try to distribute political or social message through their work? Hacktivist. This is a part of organized crime on internet. Hacker for hire. Which magazines releases the latest hacking methods? 1600, Hacking 9, PHRAC. Performing a shoulder surfing in other to check other password is a bad ethical practice. That is, malware has now evolved to be one of the most popular automated tools for unethical hacking. Taking your computer data to the outside network without prior permission of senior authority is a crime. Yes, that answer is true. Penetration tester must identify and keep in mind the privacy and security requirement of a firm while evaluating the security postures. Legal risk of ethical hacking include lawsuits due to disclosure of personal data. Before performing any penetration test throughout logical procedure, which key points listed below is not mandatory. तो कौन सा जरूरत नहीं है, तो ये वाला. Type of broadband company used by the firm. Before move on to chapter 6, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि आपने अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया तो एक लाइक कर दीजिए. उससे हमारी सारी जो पूरी टीम है वो मोटिवेट हो जाएगी. इस चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ आपके फ्रेंड के साथ, रिलेटिव के साथ, चाहे वो नजदीक रहते दूर रहते, उनके साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. चैप्टर 6, टाइप्स ऑफ हैकिंग. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. Which of the following tool is used for network testing and port scanning? The answer is Netcat, Superscan, Netscam. Answer is all of these. Banner grabbing is used for white hat hacking. Attacker can create an auto-responder attack, sending hundreds or thousands of emails with very large attachments. Which of the following tool is used for Windows for network queries from DNS lookup to track routes? That is SAMSPADE. Which tool is used for ping sweeps and port scanning? Answer is Superscan. Which of the following tool is used for security checks as port scanning and firewall testing? Answer is Netcat. What is the most important activity in system cracking? Cracking password. What is the most important activity in system cracking? That is cracking password. Which Netscan does not completely open a TCP connection? That is SYN still scan. Keyloggers are form of spyware. Nmap is abbreviated as network mapper. Yes, it is true. Dash, that is Nmap is a popular tool used for discovering network as well as security auditing. Which of these Nmap does not check? Check नहीं करता है. What type of antivirus is used? Purpose of denial of service attack: overload a system so it has no longer operationals. What are some of the most common vulnerabilities that exist in a networking system? That is, additional unused feature on commercial software package. Which of the following is not a characteristics of ethical hacker? Is the highest level of security for the organization. Attempting to gain access to a network using an employee's credentials is called as local networking mode of ethical hacking. First phase of hacking in IT system is compromise of which foundation of security? Confidentiality. Why would a ping sweep be used? To identify live systems. What are the ports states determining by what are the ports states determined by Nmap, that is open, filter, unfiltered. What port does Telnet use? 23. Which of the following will allow footprints to be conducted without detection, that is ARIN? Performing hacking activities with the intent on gaining visibility for an unfair situation is called hacktivist. Why would a hacker use a proxy server? To create a strong connection within the target. Which phase of the hacking performs actual attack on a network or a system, that is gaining access? Sniffing is used to perform passive stake, fingerprinting. Services running on a system are determined by the port assigned. What are the types of scanning? Network, vulnerability, and port. Enumeration is a part of what phase of ethical hacking? It is a part of gaining access. As that is Metasploit framework made cracking of vulnerabilities easy, like point and click. As that is Angry IP Scanner is a popular IP address and port scanner. Dash, that is EtherPeek, is a popular tool used for network analysis in multi-protocol diverse network. Dash, that is Superscan TCP ports and resolve different host names. A tool can be used to perform SNMP enumeration, that is IP network browser. Wireshark is a network protocol analysis tool. Crack is used for Wi-Fi attack. Phishing is a form of impersonation. What are the types of scanning? Network, vulnerability, and port. Hash is used for searching of multiple hosts in order to target just one specific open port. So answer is ping sweep. ARP snooping is often referred to as man-in-middle attack. Network analyzer is a tool that allows you to look into network and analyze data going across the wire for network optimization, security, and troubleshooting purpose. Banner grabbing is not a function of network analyzer tool. Yes, that is SNMP protocol is used for network monitoring. What is the attack called evil twin? That is rough access port. What is the attack called evil twin? That is rogue access port. What is the primary goal of an ethical hacker? Resolving security vulnerabilities. What are the forms of password cracking techniques? Attack scalable, attack brute forcing, attack hybrid. All three of these. Which type of hacker represent the highest risk to your network? Disgruntled employees. Hacking for a cause is called hacktivist. When a hacker attempts to attack a host via the internet, it is known as what type of attack? Remote attack. Type of attack that overloads the sources of a single system to cause it to crash or hang is called passive sniffing. In computer networking, hacking is any technical effort to manipulate the normal behavior of the network, connections, and connected systems. Hacking generally refers to unauthorized intrusion into a computer or a network. You can eliminate many well-known network vulnerabilities by simply patching your network host with their latest vendor software and firmware patches. Network consists devices such as routers, firewalls, hosts that you must access as a part of ethical hacking process. Network infrastructure vulnerabilities are the foundation for most technical security issues in your information system, that is network infrastructure vulnerabilities. Dash, that is DOS attack, which can take down your internet connection or your entire network. DOS stands for denial of service. IDS stands for intrusion detection system. Protocol are in use is vulnerable, that is SSL. SSL stands for security sockets layer. Dash, that is network infrastructure vulnerabilities include phishing, SQL injection, hacking, social engineering, spamming, denial of service attacks, trojans, virus, and worm attacks. Invented worm attack? Robert Morris. Which of the following is not a typical characteristics of an ethical hacker? Has the highest level of security for the organization? What is the purpose of a denial of a service attack? to overload a system so it has no longer operational. Some of the most common vulnerabilities that exist in a network or a system, that is additional unused features on commercial software packages. It is a sequence of a TCP connection, SYN, SYN, ACK, ACK. Why would a ping sweep be used? To identify live systems. Package with no flags. A package with no flag set is which type of scan? Null scan. Once again, thank you to the MSBT subject expert team. Please like, share and subscribe. Best wishes from Score Automobile YouTube channel.